I am Bárbara, I'm from Brazil and I study business administration. Barcelona is so beautiful, so diverse. I love to get to know people, different cultures. It's amazing. On my free time, I like to enjoy Barcelona, going to the beach, walk around, enjoying the architecture with my friends. Also do some day trips around the city. I feel super safe when I walk around during the evening. There's people around all the time, so it's super safe. EU Barcelona campus is so good for me because of the location. You can get there easily with bus, metro, anything. It's super easy. It's close to the beach and the building is super new, so it's perfect. Right now I had 2 internship experience here in Barcelona. The first one was online because of COVID, but the second one is being presential. I just started, so it's been great. And it's nice because Barcelona, you can have a lot of opportunities to find an internship.